I feel like I burped for like 5 minutes straight. I just like edit all the burps into like one continuous thing of me burping.
Say something funny.
There's definitely some brown sandy stuff.
Burp. Teach me how to burp right now. Go.
What about Don't Breathe? I'd be screwed in that movie because I'd just burp. When he goes to, he kills that guy, I'd be like, I can't burp. Ew, I felt like I was about to fart. Alright, I see him kill somebody and I'm like this.
I'm like honestly trying to burp. How do you burp? Alright, so we hope you guys enjoyed our Whopperito taste test. How?
Burp again.
Okay, so I need a sip of water, please don't.
I'm trying to like puke on purpose now.
I just start laughing and I can't stop. Brandon, please. Okay. Oh, that was wet.
That was wet. Alright, let's end it now.
Check out all of our links down below. Bye!
I'm done. Video's over.